Meron akong good news sa'yo. Meron ka bang GCash account? Kung wala pa, mag-download ka na. Disclaimer lang po, wala po akong kikitain sa GCash. Gusto ko lang makatulong at i-share yung na-discover ko para sa inyo. Kung nahihirapan ka magkaroon ng Visa, Mastercard, tuturuan kita kung paano magkakaroon ka niyan dito sa GCash. The good news is, pag nagkaroon ka nito, you can withdraw from BancNet or Visa ATMs worldwide. So, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa mga different establishment para i-withdraw or mag-encash ng inyong pera sa GCash. So, make sure na verified account ka sa GCash. So, okay, log into your GCash account. So, from your profile, punta ka sa My Link Accounts. And then, look for GCash card. And then, hanapin mo, may nakalagay doon sa baba, order a GCash card. Make sure na merong laman na 250 yung GCash account mo kasi ang processing nun is 185 yung babayaran mo plus 65 na delivery fee. Then, click mo lang yung order a card. Click mo lang yung send me a card. So, yun yung amount, which is 185. Then, click mo lang yung next. And then, fill up mo lang yung mga necessary information sa kailangan doon, like your name, your address. So, make sure na tama lahat. So, yun yung total na babayaran mo, 250. So, yung 185 is for the card and yung delivery fee is 65 pesos. And then, click pay and you're good to go. Ayan, order successful na. So, please expect your card to be delivered within 4 to 10 business days. Then, you will also receive yung transaction or reference number for your reference. So, make sure to save this video for your future reference. And also, next video ko, papakita ko naman sa inyo. Pagka na-receive ko na yung aking Visa card, tuturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano siya i-link sa inyong GCash account. See you next time! Bye-bye!